Welcome. Today we are doing 100 days of junk journal pockets, and we are on pocket day 34, the tag tuck pocket, which is really just a belly band, but I thought I would give you another idea as well. So we're going to follow the instructions first and make it the tuck spot using the strip of decorative paper, which is a belly band. And so you'll need a large tag and your decorative strip, or you can go ahead and make a belly band. The width of your page, and then about 1 to 2 inches usually is your strip size. Glue and embellishments, whatever you'd like. So it's really easy to do, and I thought, well, I'll go ahead and do the small one here in my journal, and then the other one I'll put in my idea book because I like to keep them. So this is my Autumn Whispers journal page, and it's made from a altered book, and I love it. Don't forget to check out Jovi too. Creating with Jovi is joining me on this journey through 100 days of pockets, and she is doing fabulous. She's just making some amazing looks and decorative pockets, and her papers are beautiful. So you want to check all of that out. Anyway, so the width of your page, about the width of your page, you want to make sure that your belly band or your tuck papers will fit here. And then you're going to end up poking your large tag through there. And that's really what we're creating today. Super simple and easy. But we're going to add a little decor to it. So you just want, if you've never seen a belly band before, you can make them tall or across the page. I'm just going to put it across this page in my altered book, and that way it really reminds me of a belly band because it's like the belly of my page. And then just give it a little embellishment. So I was trying to decide if I wanted to just add a leaf and then like thankful, or what I wanted to do exactly. So I think we will. I think we'll just add this little leaf on here, and I'm just going to put it partially glued here. Make sure that the page can close, not poke up too much. And then I've got the word thankful, which I am thankful for fall for sure. And we'll just put that on there. And then I have a little bit of this fun trim, but I didn't want to put it all the way across. So I just wanted to add... Let me get that even before it glues. I just wanted to add a little bit of something with this. Maybe I'll do it that way. I like that. Maple leaf trim. It's beautiful, and it comes 3 packages from Amazon. It is gorgeous. So get this green, the rust color, and a brown. Oh, it's so fun. Okay, so we're going to put this right here, and I think that works. So anyway, simple belly band right there. Put your tag in there. But if you want to step it up a little bit, take your belly band size and double it. So cut out the width of your page and then double the height that you want. So if you want 2 inches, make it 4. Then you're going to fold it in half. Then I want you to glue the 2 sides together to make a pocket. So this will go like this. And then not only will you have the tuck spot behind, but you'll have the tuck band here as well. All right, so we're going to put Autumn Whispers on this one, just like this. And then we're just going to put Autumn Whispers. And I need one more tag, don't I? All right, and then we're going to put this here. We could put a leaf on there. Maybe we could just put a couple of these little leaves. We'll just cut a leaf off and glue that on. From the trim, you could just do 1. So we'll just do 1 here. And then we just do 1 green. Maybe we could do that here. Let's see, I like to make them look like they're falling too. Then we could do a brown. So we're just doing a little embellishing here. Okay. And then I have this lace. I really wanted to put that on there, so we're going to trim that. This is Dollar Tree lace. I love this lace. It is cotton, and it looks so vintage and pretty. So we'll put that on there. Now, this would be your belly band with a pocket. So I'm going to take an extra tag, and basically what you have, and I'm not going to glue it in this time, I'm just going to show you. It will glue in, you'll glue it in the same way, but then you'll have not only the belly band in the back, but you'll have a little pocket as well. And it'll glue in just like that. Really, really fun. So I hope that you enjoyed this tag tuck pocket idea, both of them. The regular belly band, let's see, where did I put it? Right there, just like that. Or the pocket belly band that I just decided I wanted to make it up a level. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and have a great day.